Hey guys, this is MDP Tech, and today we're unboxing the wireless adapter and Series X controller, as you see it in colorful black color. So, what's inside? Pretty much the batteries, adapter, and the wireless controller. Let's start taking out this part. Ooh, look, the presentation is actually improved than the last time I bought the controller. Or maybe, yeah. Ooh, the grip is much better than Xbox One controller. Wow. Yes, definitely. Definitely. If you can see, it has this dots. And if your hands get sweaty or something, it should be really better. Okay, pretty much anything else just as it was. Here goes the batteries, and we got a gas Duracell batteries. Cool. At least they're gonna hold. Or I'm gonna use the batteries from the last joystick, I think. Oh, and there's cable inside. Nice, nice. This thing I like it. Okay, I'm gonna just, there are double A's, simple alkaline, 1.5 volt. Okay, let me take the last controller. As you see, they are almost no difference. They're just Xbox Series X controller, just a little bit higher than this. Oh yeah, and the trigger buttons are more comfortable. Of course, depends on your preference. But yeah, these are like easier. Okay, let's take out the chargeable batteries. Yes, and this, okay, plus and minus. Okay, let's leave that at that. Leave the batteries to the side. Yeah, this thing, this is the adapter, the most important thing that I'm looking for, because it's not only because of the Xbox Series X controllers. Nice, the extension, dude, the extension cord, nice. I'm gonna use that definitely. So I'm gonna leave this adapter, some here dangling there on the side, so I can connect my other thing that I want to connect also. Okay, let's put it to the side. Actually, the extension, USB extension wasn't in the box. I mean, they not told that it's gonna be in the box, so that's actually a very good thing. I don't remember the last time I get something without telling that there was something. Okay, Xbox Game Pass Ultimate code, and who and how much and how long? Valid for new Xbox Game Pass Ultimate members. Yeah, so if you want, redeem it. I'm not gonna use it, so there's gonna be a little bonus for you guys. So here I'm gonna, yeah, cool, I'll use that. Here's the product and regulatory guide. I guess this is not going to be very useful, because on Windows 11 it's pretty much self-explanatory, but this one, accessories application, okay, this one could be used. I'm gonna download the accessories application. Really cool. Put it to the computer, hold 3 seconds, push the button on the computer, then it should stay, and then take a look at the controller, of course, update the firmware and such. So yeah, that was the unboxing. It was actually quite interesting experience compared to the last one. Other than that, Box goes to the boxes. And what I'm gonna use it is to connect these Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 2 headphones, which are Xbox only. So pretty much I'm gonna reuse that adapter for a few things. So there's the use. So thank you for watching today. That was MDP Tech. Press like if you liked it, leave a comment if you have any question about these products, and subscribe if you want to see more. So bye.